Oo, lahat na Canada.
Lahat yan. Ang narrow ng street nila guys. Grabe. Dito na tayo guys. Amsterdam. So naglalakad na kami, no? Is it a bug? No, it's not.
Bag.
It's not. It's parking. Yeah, there. There, daddy, oh. Maganda yan, Day. Amsterdam. Hindi man ganun kaganda ang canals nila, no? Kaya ano? Kasi tawag ani? Yang madumi siya, guys. Pero, ganyan man talaga. Iba-iba kasi bawat country, di ba?
Tatlo, more free.
Ah,
Tatlo.
Metropol.
there's a long queue already and it's raining. We are under the rain, Day. Oh my god. Is it gonna be worth it? They also hope so. Where are you guys from? Are you from Australia? They flew all the way from down under. To have the wing go by.
Like a home country.
Country home. Dati sa TV-TV lang to, Che.
Yes, ngayon nasa lupa-lupa na ng Netherlands.
200 meters right.
Lupa-lupa na Netherlands. Naapakan mo na talaga, Che,
Yes,
no?
wala pa. Hindi pa ako nakaapak na tayo.
Naapakan mo
Sa
talaga.
Amsterdam, Hindi pa.
Ito na.
Turn right onto Havemansbrug, then turn left onto Nederlandstraat.
Amsterdam na, guys.
Oh my God. You can view na yan dyan, oh.
Oo, grabe.
Kaya ka na hold your phone here.
Ayan, oh, kita man.
Yeah, makita man.
It's here, Daddy.
Dito, oh.
Nasa Amsterdam na tayo, guys. Left in here. Oy. Amsterdam na tayo, guys. Ito na yung mga building dito sa Amsterdam. Oh.
Ito tayo siguro sa city center.
Ay, ito na, city center na nga tayo ng Amsterdam. Yan, nakarating din tayo ng Amsterdam, guys, no? O, shopping sila sa H&M mo. Sana may pang shopping. Naghahanap no kami ng makakainan namin, guys. And it's the first time na si Google nagsabi your destination is on the right. Because we're always lost.
Kohta mennään oma talo.
Nikila. Ang ganda ng mga buildings nila, guys. Oh, so charming. Diba? Maganda din siya, oh.
Punta natin to.
Oo, maglakad tayo mamaya.
Yung palace.
Ay, yung palace. Oo, puntahan natin.
Sa Google, may palace na makalala.
Yan, oh. Andito pa kami, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Grabe kagwapa man sa mga buildings po nila. Look at their buildings. It's so charming, too. It's so nice. Yeah. Dahil dito yung mga plato-plato nga na color blue nga. Dahil na may ano, paint, hand-painted, handmaids. Ito, oh, gusto kong kumain ng mga ganyan. Oh, yung mga, ano lang, mga cafe-cafe lang, mga bakeries, patisserie. Ang ganda, di ba, guys? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Busy din talaga yung city nila. So charming. Daming nice na buildings. We're in the traffic, guys. Traffic kami, pero tingnan mo natin yung mga bicycles nila, oh, diba? Marami din silang bike dito kagaya sa Denmark, eh. Pero mas marami din talaga sa ano. Ha?
Sila yung pinakamarami.
Sa Denmark?
Hindi dito sa
Netherlands ba pinakamarami? Grabe, oh, ganda. Ganda, guys, No. No. This one at a time. We just drive straight. Oh, ang ganda. Saan ang tram? Ang ganda ng stores nila, oh. Yan na yun, oh. Authentic Sichuan Restaurant Mandarin. Ay, ayun siya, day, oh. Ang ganda na yung mga ano nila. May bakery din, oh. Gusto kong tumikim ng mga tinapay-tinapay sa bakery, day. Ala, tingnan mo yung building na yun. Nahiwi naman na, oh. Ang charming, oh. Ayan, oh. May Indian cuisine din. May Pull and Bear dito. Uniqlo. Hey, walang Uniqlo sa Finland.
Wala yan. Pinipilahan ng Vans.
Hala, Uniqlo, oh.
Yun o, yun yung pinipilahan.
Ano ba yan?
Ang Vans.
Ano ba yan, Day?
Hindi ko alam. Ang stupid.
Ah, stoop waffle?
Oo, yun yung pinipilahan.
Stroop waffle?
Oo.
Ang ganyan. Ang ganda, di ba, guys? Oh, busy din mga tao. Ang daming tao, guys. Ang daming tao.
Alam, may Madame Tussauds.
Ah, saan?
Arero.
Ay, ayun, Madame Tussauds. Oo.
Ang mga ano na mga famous na mga artista.
Ay, oo. Yung, ay, yung ano, yung relic, ay, yung mga tawag nito, yung statue.
As statue.
Ay, oo. Punta tayo dyan?
Oo.
Ay, hala, andun si Rihanna! 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 Char. Hala, wow! Look at that! It's so beautiful. Hala, guys, naguyog-uyog na niya kung ano kay cobblestone. So, nitong giagian dali. Ang ganda! Oy, ang ganda. Ito na yung market square yata nila dito. Ang ganda, guys.
Parking.
Just look for our parking, no? Parking na muna tayo nito. Maghanap na ng parking. Ang ganda, guys. Napaka-charming din naman talaga ng mga buildings nila. Parking, yeah, there. There, Daddy, oh. Parking is downstairs.
No, upstairs.
Ay, upstairs?
That's parking, right?
Oh, ang ganda. Ah, okay. Ay, meron naman Primark, Day, oh. This is just only one way, I think. Ang ganda. Pero umuulan man, guys. But it's okay kasi andito naman tayo sa syudad na marami mga building na pwedeng pasukan. Dito na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo, guys. Amsterdam. So, naglalakad na kami, no? Is it a bag? No, it's not.
Bag.
It's not.
There is the 2 eggs inside.
Ha? There's 2 eggs?
There is that is so called the spider inside.
Spider?
Yeah, looks like a spider.
Huh? Corners, guys, corner to corner. Sobrang tight ng mga roads nila, but the buildings are so charming. It's nice though. Let's go look for a place to eat now because we are so hungry. Ang narrow ng street nila, guys. Grabe.
Okay.
Lang tayo sa steakhouse, guys, kasi gutom na talaga. Kanal na yan dyan, oh. Nandito na kami sa Argentinian to na?
Steakhouse.
Ay, steakhouse. They have Argentinian steak. So, we'll have a steak in Amsterdam. Dito na kami pumasok guys kasi sobrang gutom na. Ang original plan was sa Chinese man yun dahil, no? Andoon na kasi guys, malayo na. Nagkapoy nang maglakad guys. Kanina pa kami umaga naglakad, no? Sobrang haba ng araw na to. Wala na ako mga kauban guys. Una, bulagta na po. Kapoy. Unsa guys. Oh, let me
Oh my God. I feel like a rich.
You feel like you're so rich, Che.
Only I feel.
Only you feel, but not.
I'm not rich.
Nag-stick din si Nico. Ngaunta. Saan man mo haday?
Argentinian steak.
Argentinian steak. Ito. Soup. Ngaunta guys. Alright guys, tapos na kami kumain. So ngayon, we will go to the red light district but we will not be able to take any videos there kasi hindi siya allowed. Street is actually very busy. Itong area na to. But we will look around and si Nico and Anika, iniwan namin sila dun sa restaurant kasi
We're selling the pods here.
oh yeah, they're selling the tulips. Oh yeah, they have it here. Oh, they have this one.
Better than there.
Oh, that's
Right?
nice. Oh, this
How
is
much?
nice. It's nice, Chi.
Yeah.
Ito Amsterdam.
Who's selling this?
It's cute, oh. Iniwan lang namin si Anika and Nico doon sa restaurant, guys. Babalikan lang namin sila. You can buy bouquet here. Wow.
It's a fresh, right?
Uy, oh.
Ay, plastic lang.
10 bulbs of 5 euros.
Plastic.
Tulips. Wow. Florist. It's nice. Day, tag 3 lang ito, day. Tag 5, di ba? Tag 6 yun doon sa may tulip garden. Tag 3 lang yan. Ganda ng nila, black. Yan, maganda yan, day. Amsterdam. Ah,
3 for 7, 5 for 10.
Oh my God, it's there. 10 euro.
10 euro per piece, no?
Magkano daw?
5.9.
250. 3 is 7.
Ah, tag 250 lang pala. Mura lang pala yan. Bili tayo ng ganyan.
Tama ka sinabi mo ganda dito mo lang.
Ah, oo, kasi dito sa Amsterdam, guys, meron silang mga coffee shops and cafes na you can use and consume marijuana, but it's not allowed to use it like outside. It's just like inside the shop.
But we will drink a coffee.
We actually experience inhaling it because people here are using them.
Yan ko lang na lang.
Ng kanilang dito, guys, magnets. Yan, oh. 1 piece to 50. Pag tatlo, 7 euros na siya. Oh. Pag limang piraso, 10. O yan, okay na yan.
Tala doon sa loob.
Samantala, magkano doon sa Tag 10 isang piraso. Ang mahal-mahal, no?
12 na.
Tag 12 ba yung iba?
Ito, binili
Tapos
ko.
yung kahoy nga na tulip, ang isang
Kahoy
pira...
ba to? Saan
Hindi,
ba
yun.
to?
Yung
Saan
doon na...
ba to?
Diyan. Yung
Ano?
kahoy...
Kahoy ba to?
Hindi. Hindi. Yung kahoy nga na tulip, yung ganun ba? Isang piraso, doon tag 6. Diyan, tingnan mo, tag 3 lang. Ay, 3.10? Uy, 3.10 pala yung tulip ng kahoy, day.
Hindi ko na may
Ay, di ka namiyan na to. Okay, yan na lang.
5 pieces.
5 pieces.
Yeah.
Piece in the back and this.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Why did you bring rain today?
No!
Why did you bring rain? You should bring sun.
You know why? Because we came from the coldest place in Northern Europe, Finland.
Why?
Because we are from there. That's why. Stay there.
Come here.
Our snow just
We
melted.
had beautiful weather before you
Today is rainy.
bring rain.
Blagay mo siyan
You don't want
sa bag mo.
You want sunshine.
Okay, bro. Huh?
Sunshine there.
We want sunshine there as well. That's why we bring some of the water here to water the tulips. Ducks are funny.
You can come today, but not tomorrow.
We're leaving tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. How you say goodbye in Dutch? Huh? Dutchins. Okay.
Same language yun.
Dutchins. Ang ganda. Oh, sige na. Doon na tayo ang red light district, guys. Papunta doon. Oh. Hindi man ganun kaganda ang canals nila, no? Kaya ano? Kasi tawag ani? Yang madumi siya, guys. Pero, ganyan man talaga. Iba-iba kasi bawat country, di ba?
Oo, lahat na cannabis.
Lahat yan. Pili sila, guys, ng ano, lollipop. Na may ano yan?
Cannabis.
May cannabis. Ano mang kanami? Manaan, di ba? Saman, sa may lasa dahil.
Watermelon.
Ha?
Ito sinasabi mo.
Watermelon?
Sabihin,
May lasa siyang ano?
may lasa siyang
Pait-pait?
konti.
Konti lang.
Ay!
Kad pa rin, guys. Dito pa rin tayo sa city ng Amsterdam, no? Nagpunta kami ng red light district, guys, pero wala naman masyadong mga ano makita. But it's not allowed to take videos there or picture kasi nga merong mga workers doon. But it was interesting that in this area they have such kind of place. Ito yung House of Fries. Oh, ani kahi. House of Fries. Dragon City. So interesting. It's so crowded. There's so many tourists plus locals. So crowded. And it's so busy. Can taste, guys. Cheese. Sarap? Ang sarap yun.
Better. So good. Yeah.
Masarap to. Ito. Amsterdam is also known for cheeses. Ano ba?
Tatlo, more free.
Ah, bili ka ng tatlo.
Ay, truffle.
Sarap. Sarap siya. How ka maista? Ito masarap, guys. Grabe ka busy ng Amsterdam, guys. We are not used to this kind of Daddy. This is not the kind of environment that I want to live in and grow in. It's so busy for me. Yeah, there's some churches, guys, but it's closed. Sikel talaga sila dito, guys. So yan kasi yung pinaka fastest way of transportation because the city is so tight and packed. Pero ang gaganda ng mga buildings nila, guys. Oh, napaka-charming ng mga buildings nila. You will see a lot of people will rent bicycles as well because it's cheaper and it's easy to move around. There's almost access for Bicycle everywhere, even on the narrow streets. Pero maganda guys yung mga buildings nila. Kahit yun doon sa tawag nito, Red Light District, almost ganito din yung mga buildings guys, even much older looking. Nico is there waiting. Ito sa Fabel Friet guys. Oh. Best French fries guys.
Good.
Pasok kayo dito sa Jumbo guy or Jumbo, paano nila pronounce yan? Sa grocery store. Ay, mga tinapay nila ba? Parang ganyan din yung binili natin kahapon, Chi. Grocery siya, guys. Ano, may mga donuts din sila dito. Grocery. Tag 130 na lang avocado talaga. 105 lang ang 1 euro 5 cents lang ang ano. Talong. Tingin-tingin lang gud tayo muna. Manok nila day oh. Schnitzel oh. Cheese day. Ha? Tubig na naman? Mura yung mga paninda talaga nila. Pilihin natin si Anika ng candy niya guys na gusto. You study in university cafe? It's here?
Linya.
Ah, okay.
Oh my God. Cold.
Ring to po ititri.
Winter. Dapat masarap yan dyan, Day, ha? Pag hindi yan masarap, bantay lang gini.
Kwento nga palaging may linya yan.
We came from Finland to drink coffee here, Daddy. And to come in, to drink coffee in here, we need to stand on the queue. Ni.
But there is a...
There's, it should be very worth it. Let's see. It's from since 1983, this coffee shop. Let's stand on the queue then. Let's hope it's worth it because it's a long way to come here. We are finally on the queue. Hindi ko gusto yung syudad nila, Day. No, Day, no? Hindi ko gusto yung city ng ano, ng, ang tawag nito, Amsterdam. Magulo siya, guys. It's so sekava and it's so tight. That's why most of the people, they use bicycle kasi nga sobrang tight ng lugar nila. So we are now on the queue for this. Ang saya itong kaunan diri, Day, apple cake? Apple pie and their coffee. It's already almost 7 o'clock in the evening and we're going to have coffee. There's a long queue.
1 a.m.
Ha?
1 a.m. nagsasar.
Ah, this closes at 1 a.m. Winkle. Wala ka ng boses, Day. Ng boses si Madam. Tay, meron namang boses kanina. Nandun tayo sa sulit. Ayun, wala na ng boses ni Madam. So, ang the best nila dito is apple pie and what else? Apple pie. So, tingnan ko nga sa Google guys, anong famous ito. Grabe yung linya guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, doon sa likod namin. Taga saan kaya itong mga andito galing? I think galing sila ng Korea or China. Somewhere else. There's a long queue to come here guys. Winkle. That's the name of the place. Winkle. Since 1983. There's a long queue already and it's raining. We are under the rain day. Oh my god. Is it gonna be worth it? They also hope so. Where are you guys from? Are you from Australia? They flew all the way from down under to have the winkle pie. Which part of Australia are you guys from? Ah, you're from Sydney. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. I know my sister lives in Adelaide. Yeah, but we did not come from the south. We came from the north. We came from Finland. Yeah. No, this is our first time, and we've been driving all around today. We're lost to come here. Let's see. But it's not moving.
It is when people just leave the line.
Why did you come here?
Oh, we've only been here for 5 minutes, but since we've been here, there've been about 2 families that have left.
Yeah, that other guy from Sida too. They left.
Yeah, I'm happy.
I really don't know why it's popular. Do you know?
I just looked up. We want apple strudel. We're hoping that's on the menu.
Ah, okay.
We want dessert.
Dessert at almost 8 o'clock in the evening. Now people are leaving. Are we gonna be having something now? I really wonder what's inside. I hope so, because my husband has been driving today and he was already annoyed with the streets here in Amsterdam. It's not like in Finland. Yeah, it's not so nice to drive. The driving in here is so crazy, and it's not.
You have to dodge the people. You have to dodge the bikes.
And it was so crazy because we were on the car part where cars are supposed to run. There was right away there was some kind of bicycle driver who just popped in front of us, and my husband was so annoyed. Usually in Finland we don't beep beep, but he was like because they just popped in. It's crazy.
We were going to get a bike, but we were a bit nervous about riding it, to be honest.
Even running the bicycle, you're nervous. Oh my god. Dai, at least now we are next to the door. Almost. That's why we asked them, you guys sit, we'll order. Okay.
Your husband's sitting, is he?
Yeah, he's over there, the one with the cap. I said, you guys find a seat right away, and I have my daughter with us. I said, just wait. Because they can't wait here on the queue like this with the rain, and he was already annoyed with the driving. I can feel it, though. He's so patient, but Finnish driving is totally different from here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's
A little bit quieter.
it's more calm,
Yeah.
and
Oh, you have.
we have more space. It's so narrow roads in here, and it's so tight.
Yeah.
At least there are people.
Have you never been to Sydney?
I've never been.
They're crazy drivers.
Oh, really? Okay.
On the horn.
So how do you guys move around? Like,
Oh, look. We've got a bit of everything.
okay.
A lot of cars. Yeah.
Like,
We have a lot of cars.
how about
We have the
trains
metro.
and
Yeah,
metro?
we've got metro and,
I think in here that's. How did you move around in here?
we've been using the train.
Trains and walking.
But we'll probably use bike.
It's not gonna be practical.
Yeah.
And we're traveling 5, so I think it's okay to have a car.
Yeah.
So it was easy to move around. No, it's moving. We are moving, Dai. Woohoo. It was her idea. This was her idea to come here. And I don't even know what this place is. Guys, finally we are here. Okay, we can sit here. Okay. Okay, I can call my husband to come in here then. We're 5. Okay, thank you so much. So we got a seat already for 5 inside. So we're going in. Tinawag ko na rin si Nico and Anika. Ganun tayo sa loob. Okay. That's for you.
But I need something to... Right? Ah, ito siya naman.
What is it?
I don't know what is the inside.
How does it taste like?
Tastes good.
It tastes good.
Actually,
Is it like meat?
crunchy and there is an aftertaste.
Uh-huh.
Tatawagin mo nga siya. Tatawagin isang...
It's not. It's very good. It's hot. There's like ginger. Yeah, there's like a hint of ginger. It's good. It's soft inside. There's still a queue, guys. For the apple pie, no, I'm not a fan. For the coffee, yes.
I know that they are in from Saudi Arabia because the face.
Ah, okay.
But they came from...
But yung in-order mo, Chi, masarap yun. Maybe some of the food, but I don't know. The apple pie was only 6 euros. So, it's okay. But the coffee was really great. I don't know, Oh my God, there's a canal down there. There's a canal. Masarap siya, pero mas gusto ko yung apple pie ng Swedish apple pie. Ang ganda ng building na to. Ano kaya ito dito, Day? Ano oras mag-close ang Sunshine, Day? Ay, grabe man kagwapa, guys. Sobra man kaganda, guys.